Today we'll talk about how can you enable vibration on your Plato app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here, click here above your photo profile, just click on it. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to your profile. So then all you have to do now, so you just go here above this sign, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on games. When you just click on it, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just come here to vibration here, click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us, that's main vibration enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.